Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by preparing Chrome and your extension files. Open Chrome, / extensions and enable developer mode so Chrome accepts manual installs. This lets you load unpacked or drag. CRX files. Make sure you have the Eagleget CRX file or its unpacked folder available on your disk, and close other download managers to avoid conflicts. This setup speeds the install and prevents permission clashes. Once done, move to loading the extension into Chrome so the browser recognizes its files and permissions. You now perform the install step by step. If you have a CRX file, drag it onto Chrome, / extensions and accept the prompts. Chrome will ask to add the extension. If you have an unpacked folder, click Load Unpacked and select the folder so Chrome reads the manifest and resources. Confirm requested permissions, especially downloads and tab access, because Eagleget needs them to intercept and manage downloads. Once accepted, make sure the extension icon appears in your toolbar so you can access its controls. You finish by verifying integration and handling issues. Start a small download to confirm Eagleget captures the link. If it doesn't, open the puzzle icon, pin the extension, and check its settings for site access. If the extension is disabled or permissions reset, restart Chrome and try reinstalling via Load Unpacked. Sometimes Chrome blocks unsigned. CRX files. For persistent failures, clear site data for the page and reauthorize permissions. This often resolves conflicts so Eagleget can control downloads.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.